Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog guys, we have the new product from Godox. Again, if you are into a dental photography, if you are dentist, and if you're looking for a good ring light, or not ring light, it's twin light. Yeah, if you're looking for a twin light, then this light is for you. So again, this is for dental photography. It's very nice for dental photography and even for macro type of photography, but mainly for dental. This is good for dental photography. So we have this Godox MF-12 DK1. So this is the Godox MF-12 DK1. And again, before you purchase this Godox MF-12 DK1, make sure you purchase also the adapter from this Godox, the MF-DB. So if you purchase this one, make sure that you have this adapter, the bracket adapter. So uh, before we're gonna check this one, we'll unbox this new Godox MF-12-DK1. So again, for anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now, guys. This is the box again for the MKF12, and on this side, yeah, this is what inside the bag, inside the box of the bag. Yes, there's a box and the bag. Inside the box is the that. Inside the box is this bag. Inside this bag is this accessories. So yeah, and here you have also the trigger for sure, TTL, battery S1 and slave 1, slave 2. So yeah, it's mainly for your trigger. Let's unbox, and this is what inside the box. See, it's written here. What's inside the box? So what's inside the box is the bag. What inside the bag is this. Okay. So this is the soft bag. So this is our supervisor. Kung makaganyan na kami, supervisor ng datingan. And this is the bag. Okay. It's a soft bag. Diba? Oh, see, you have the manuals and also manual from the X Pro S Plus. May plus na ngayon. X Pro S. Well, meaning this is for Sony. Meron pa tayong pang Canon nito, but this is for Sony. First, you have your twin light, the Godox MF-12, and the diffuser. Okay, very soft. One line, very bad thinking. See, you have two of these diffuser, the trigger X Pro, adapt, ano ba to? Adapt, cold mount. You have two cold mount. Okay, so at this side we have 6 pockets. The first one you have the ring. Let's check what is the ring sizes. You have the 49 and 52, mostly ring. It's also a ring. 49, 52, 55, 58, and 62. So for sure this is 67 and 77. Your stand, and this is the adapter. Yeah. And you have USB to USB-C for charging. You have 2 pieces of USB and USB-C charging. Memory. Okay. So this is the MFDB. Yeah. And this is the adapter. Okay. Ano ba to? Ano? So we'll slide. I think we need to slide on it. Press and slide. Wow. See? Okay. So this will be the extra. You have extra. Okay. It's slide. Yeah. Sa susi. Okay. So this is the Godox M12, then put the trigger up, then done. So this is how it looks, guys. Without the ring, it's fine. You can attach direct the camera. You have your trigger, the X Pro. I think this is the two, because with the Bluetooth, and you have the two flash. You can adjust. Huh? So it's nice, guys. So this is the new Godox MF12 that's DK1. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you are a dental of macro photography, if you're searching for a macro twin flash, check this new Godox MF DK1 and MFDB. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this new Godox, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So hanggang dito na lang. Flex time. Thank you kay sa likod ng camera, si Mosen. Yan, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thank you and mabuhay.